This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, we have 4 different softwares in graphic designing: Photoshop, InDesign, Illustrator, and CorelDRAW. Safia, you're writing, right?
Yes,
Safia,
ma'am.
are you there?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. There.
Okay. Tell me, what is multimedia, Safia? Can you elaborate it? I given a statement like multimedia means it is a combination of different media. But you people are not asked me any questions, so I am only asking you people. What is it meaning? It is a combination of different media, audio, video. Like how it is? I don't understand. You tell me. You have any idea where you will see the graphic designing? Where you will see the designing every day? Where you will get the
Web.
information day to day life? You are getting some offers, some news, everything. Where you will get it? From which media you are getting every day? Tell me, Anusha, Safia. Tell me, anybody can tell. Everybody, every day we are getting some advertisement, some information, some news, everything. From which media we are getting actually? From which media we are getting the information?
Social media, ma'am.
Huh?
Social media, ma'am.
Yes, social media. Social media, leave it. Social media, it is an app. Okay.
Okay.
So any other things, we are getting the news from where we can watch. Newspaper. We have to design the newspaper, then only the you can see the newspaper, right? Any offers and all, where you can see the brochures, pamphlets, banners, correct, magazines, and you will see many advertise in the television, correct. So every day to day life, you are getting many information through different medias, correct. One is audio, one is video editing, audio editing, so, some of the things which is related to newspaper. So those things and all, we have to design it, correct, then only it is possible. Are you able to get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm? Sharun. Okay. Can you give me an example, Shreya? Sharun, anybody? Juveria? Anybody can give me any example for graphic designing or any kind of advertisements? Juveria, are you there? Aditi? Nobody is there. Shreya, can you give me an example?
And
Okay,
posters.
where you can see the graphic designing part or any other advertisement things and all. You have any idea about it?
Ma'am,
We can see
posters.
in the television or mobiles,
Yes, where you can see those things.
news channels.
Yes, you can see in the news channels. When you go to outside, there itself you can see some offers, all
Or the
those things.
platforms
So all
we
those
see as
designs we have to create ourselves. So for that we are using different softwares. Okay. Next one, make a heading of Photoshop. Okay, you people are Photoshop student. Okay, make a heading of Photoshop. CS6 is the version we are using. Okay, CS6 or CS5 we will use it. CS5 we will use it. Okay, CC 2021 is the latest version of the Photoshop. Okay, CC 2021 is the latest version of this Photoshop. Okay, so mainly Berkeley, you have to write all these things. Okay, Photoshop is an image editing software. So okay, mainly Photoshop we are using for photography. Okay, Photoshop is an image editing software. Mainly we are using Photoshop for photography. Okay, so we have two different color modes are there in Photoshop. Finished writing. CS6 is the version we are using. CS6 or CS5 is the version we are using. CC 2021 is the latest one. Okay, you have to write all these things. we have a color mode. Make a heading of color mode. We have a three color modes are there. One is RGB, one is CMYK, and second one is CMYK. Third one is grayscale. Okay, you have to write in front of RGB red, green, and blue. Okay, in front of CMYK you have to write cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. Okay, we are using the RGB color mode. Okay,
Please repeat,
next
ma'am.
one is the grayscale. Third one is the grayscale. First one is RGB, second one is the CMYK, third one is the grayscale. This is the color mode we are using. Okay. Next, file format to save Photoshop.
Ma'am, could you
Next.
repeat the CMYK full form?
Cyan, CYON, cyan, comma magenta, comma Y for yellow, then K, CMYK, K for black. Because when you take online exam, all these things will come actually in the exam. CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. Next one is grayscale. Okay.
Ma'am, what we have to write under RGB?
I didn't get you.
Ma'am, under RGB.
Red, green, blue. Under RGB, you have to write red, green, blue. Okay, you have written right in front of that only. You have to write RGB, red, green, and blue. Okay, CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. And next to third one is grayscale. Okay, three different color modes are there. In that we are using first one RGB color mode. Okay, next one, make a heading of this file format to save Photoshop. File format to save Photoshop. Make a heading of that. File format to save Photoshop. Input file format is PSD. PSD means Photoshop document. Make a heading. File format to save Photoshop. Main heading. In that, input file format is PSD format. Output file format is JPG, PNG. Input file format is PSD format. Output file format is JPG and PNG format. All are written. Aditi, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Aditi, I am unable to hear your voice. You unmuted yourself, but I didn't get your voice. Maybe your system volume is less. Check, Aditi. Juveria, Anusha, Lokesh. Anusha, Lokesh, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Juveria, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. So input file format to save Photoshop is PSD format. Output file format to save Photoshop is JPG and PNG format. Okay. Next one is make a heading of resolution. It is not revolution, resolution. Okay. Make a heading of resolution. What is resolution? It is nothing but quality of the image, height and width of the image. Resolution is nothing but quality of the image, height and width of the image. Okay. Resolution is nothing but quality of the image, height and width of the image. Okay. Next, resolution always calculated with pixels, inches and centimeters. Resolutions always calculated with pixels, inches and centimeters. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what I will do, I will start the Photoshop. I will share my screen. Okay. Okay, tell me one thing. What and all we can create using the Photoshop software? Anybody having any idea? Everybody can see my screen? Safia?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See,
Yes, ma'am.
next, what and all we can create using the Photoshop software? Any idea? We can make
Posters.
black and white image to color, color to black and white. Okay. First point, we can make black and white image to color, color to black and white. So we can make a advertisement design. Second one. First one is we can make black and white image to color, color to black and white. Second one, we can make a poster design, comma advertisement designs. Then what else we can do it? Collage works. We can create a collage works. Okay. We can create a collage works. Okay. I will show you people some of the things that what and all we can create using the Photoshop software. You can see my screen, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. See some of the things that we can create it using the Photoshop software. Can you see this? Say this is the avatar character, which is we can do it with the Photoshop software. See all this CG color graphics. See this is the things that we can do it with the Photoshop. See this is the collage work. What is collage works? I will tell you. See collage work means we have to take a different pictures and we have to make a picture like this. So this kind of picture. See this is the wings from this bird and this is the girl from here and this is the background. Correct? So different backgrounds. You can see this kind of these things where in the photography and all you can see, right? Are
Yes,
you
ma'am.
there, everybody?
Yes,
Ah,
ma'am. Yes.
see, like this kind of things you can see. Correct? Anybody seen this kind of photos? In photo studios
Yes,
and all
ma'am.
they will make, right? Big photo studios and all they will make it like this, and they will charge very high cost actually. So this kind of
In the
photo
ads
shoots and all you can
video.
make it. You can make yourself all these things. Okay. So like this you can make it. See, this is the thing you can make it. Okay. And you can make this also. This also you can make it. It's not opening actually. This is any cut and teared images and all you can combine it. Okay. See, this is that these two people are standing somewhere and we can make it. We can remove their background and we can make the collage work. Okay, they're standing on some street and we can make like this collage work. Okay. So like this kind of color combination. Okay, digital art. This is we are telling digital art. Okay. So these things and all you can learn with the Photoshop. All these things with your creativity itself. Okay. Okay. So this is the thing. Okay, you have to do all these things. Ma'am will tell you only the procedure how to make all these things, but the thing is you have to use your mind and then only it is possible. So you can make somebody from color change, skin change, hair color, dress color, everything you can change the color. See all these makeup things, all these things you can do it with the Photoshop. Okay, everybody is listening, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is a poster design. Okay. Okay. So I will go to the software now. So what I will do, I will go to here, start. In that we have you have to download Adobe Photoshop CS5 or CS6. If you'll get the latest version also, it is okay. But you will get a trial version for practice. Maybe check student version or any trial version. You can download it for 15 days or 20 days. Is that okay? See Adobe CS5. Okay. Nobody having Photoshop in their laptop? All are having laptop? All are having software in the system? Rushanki?
Ma'am, I haven't downloaded yet, ma'am.
Okay. So you people have to download today. Okay. You people should download today. You will get a trial version, 15 days or 1 week trial version you will get, because I will give the assignment, because this is a theory with the practical thing also. So what I'm saying, you have to download the software, and by the time only you can learn so many things. Okay. Kulsum, are you there? Kulsum, Aishwarya not. Kulsum, are you there? Okay, 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 fine. Hmm. Okay, we'll go to here. We have an option here, Adobe Photoshop CS5. Sometime it will be showing here. Otherwise, you have to go to here, all programs. In that, we have an option here, Adobe Master Collection CS5. Okay, master collection, you have to go to start, and here we have an option, directly it will come sometime. Otherwise you have to go to all programs. In that we have an option here, start Adobe Master Collection CS5. Okay, in that, so whatever the versions, these are the versions. Okay, CS5, CS6, CS8, then CC 2011, the CC 2011, 12, 13, these are the latest version. So okay, there is no much difference from one versions to another version. Whatever the versions you are getting, you download it, those versions. Okay, so there is no much difference and all. Okay, so what I will do here, we have a all related to Adobe. So what is Adobe? Adobe is a company. Okay, software company, like how you have a Microsoft is there, no, like that only. Adobe is a company. Okay, so they made Photoshop software. Okay, now here Adobe Photoshop CS5. Okay, I will open this software. Anybody having any no any doubt that you're not understood anything or you're not written anything? Anybody having any doubts till now, the notes I have given? Anusha, Rushanki, Sharun, any you have any doubt, Sharun?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so you written all the notes, right? Whatever I given,
Yes, ma'am.
resolution and those things and all.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so what we will do, I will go to you. If you want to write, you can write it. Okay, start. In that, all programs, again you have to write it, this one. Okay, start, all programs. In that, Adobe Master Collection CS5, please write it. Start, Adobe all programs and Adobe Master Collection CS5. In that, Adobe Photoshop CS5. Okay. So I have opened this software. Okay. Okay. When you have opened this software, you have this. You can see, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody can see this screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, we have left side, there is a toolbar. Okay. So we have different tools are there. So we have to use each tool and we have to create a design. Okay. And upper side, we have a menu bar. Okay. And there is a property window here. Okay. Whatever the tools we are taking, so we will get the properties of that. I means sizes, inches, centimeters, those things and all we will get with this. Okay. So what I will do, you have to write this tool. Okay. I will make a arrow mark of this. You have to write the tool name. Okay. Write the tool name. Move tool. Okay, when you keep the cursor, it will tell the name of the tool. Okay, move tool. If you click on this, you have to click and hold this tool. If you click and hold this, then you will have all these options. Okay, write this one, rectangular marks tool and elliptical marks tool. Rectangular marks tool and elliptical marks tool. Rectangular marks tool and elliptical marks tool. First one is the move tool. Second one is the rectangular marks tool and elliptical marks tool. Okay, only that two things you have to write. Okay, next tool is lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool and magnetic lasso tool. Lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool and magnetic lasso tool. So you have to make a heading of tools. In that you have an option here, move tool. All these tools are very important. Move tool, and when you will keep the mouse here, automatically it will show the name, move tool. And if you click and hold it like this, left click, always you have to use the left click. Okay, rectangular mark tool and elliptical mark tool. Next one is lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool and magnetic lasso tool. Polygonal lasso tool and magnetic lasso tool. Next one is quick selection tool and magic wand tool. Quick selection tool and magic wand tool. Quick selection tool and magic wand tool. Next one is, all are written right, quick selection tool and magic wand tool. Okay. Next one is crop tool, slice tool. Only two you have to write, crop tool, slice tool. You have to write all these tools name, crop tool, slice tool. Okay. Next you have to write this one, eyedropper tool. Anybody who is not able to write, I will make it slow. I will tell slowly. Okay, everybody can write, right? Everybody can able to write. Sharon, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Sharon, are you there? Okay.
Yes,
You are writing it. Okay.
yes.
So where I kept, okay, eyedropper tool. You have to write the eyedropper tool. Only one tool you have to write here. Next one is spot healing brush tool. Spot healing brush tool. Okay, spot healing brush tool. This is a spot healing brush tool. Okay, so next one is brush tool. See, if you are downloading CS5 version, then the tools will come like this only. If it is a older version, less than CS5, like it is a CS2, so then little bit there is a changes in the toolbar. Means all the tools are same only, but maybe the some tools here and there like that. Okay, so it will be little bit having the changes. Okay. So spot healing brush you written right. Next one is brush tool and pencil tool. Next one is the brush tool and pencil tool. Okay, brush tool, pencil tool. Next we have an options clone stamp tool and pattern stamp tool. Clones, clone stamp tool and pattern stamp tool. Okay, next one is history brush tool. Only you have to write the history brush tool. Okay, which is very important. I will teach those tools. Okay, history brush tool. Okay, everybody writing, following me, right? Clone stamp tool, pattern stamp tool. Next one is the history brush tool. Then it is very important, this tool is eraser tool and magic eraser tool. You have to write two things, eraser tool and magic eraser tool. Eraser tool, magic eraser tool. Okay. Next is gradient tool, paint bucket tool. Gradient tool and paint bucket tool. Okay, finished. Gradient tool and paint bucket tool. Gradient tool and paint bucket tool. Next, you have to write blur tool, smudge tool. You have to write the name of the blur tool and the smudge tool. Okay. Blur tool, smudge tool. Then dodge tool. Only write one tool name, dodge tool. See, it will not show the tools directly. See, when you open, when you have to click, you have to press left click. Okay, click and press left click, then only these tools will come. Okay, next one is pen tool. You have to write the pen tool. Pen tool. Okay, then you have to write the text tool. Type tool. You have to write this is a type tool, not text tool. Type tool. This is path selection tool. Path selection tool. Path selection tool. And here you have to write this tool name, custom shape tool. For path selection tool, afterwards you have to write custom shape tool. Okay. Okay. Custom shape tool, then path selection tool. All are writing correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Anusha, are you
Yes,
writing?
ma'am.
Everybody is writing. Can you present? Anybody can present your books, what you have written? There is an option over there. You can share your books. later WhatsApp me. Okay, I want to check whether you people are written or not. All are written. Who is this? Somebody
Yes,
said
ma'am.
Safia. 1 2 3 4 okay, written, right? Okay. Okay. Now stop sharing, no problem. Okay, so we'll go to the software. Then I will take a new file. Okay, file, new. Okay, we have left side also we have tools, and here also we have many kind of effects, layers, filters. We have multiple options are there. Here also we have multiple things are there. Okay, so I will go to here, file, new. You have to write all these notes, file, new, file, open, all those things. You know, right, all these things. Okay, so I will go to file, new. Okay, when you will go to the file, new, there is an option here. Can you see here, name of the file and preset and width and height and resolution. Already I told what is resolution. It is a quality of the image, height and width of the image. Okay, resolution already you know, I already given the notes. Okay, 300 is a very good resolution. It is a high resolution. Okay, color mode is a RGB color. I told you already we have a grayscale mode, CMYK mode and all. So always no need to do any changes. It will take, always it will be there in the RGB color mode. Okay, so in the preset we have to take the option here, international paper. Okay, you can write it, file, new. Okay, always you have to write it like this, file, and there is a arrow mark like this. You have to write file, new. Okay, then it will go to the next option like this, file, new. Then what is the option when you are writing in the book, you have to write it like this. Okay, so you have to select the international paper. In that we have a different sizes. Okay, A4 size commonly you can see everywhere, right? Okay, automatically should select the A4, then give okay. Anybody having any doubts? Aditi,
Ma'am, how
Aditi,
to
are you
download
writing?
this Adobe?
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? Aditi, what happened? I can listen everybody's voice. Only Aditi, I am unable to listen what you are saying. Are you there, Aditi? Aishwarya Reddy, you have
Yes,
any
ma'am.
doubt? You have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
So which
No,
size
ma'am.
we have to take in Photoshop? Which size always we should take?
A4, ma'am.
Okay,
A4,
A4
A4.
size. Ah, 1 second. I'm not sure why. Okay, no problem. Hmm? Okay. Okay, so we'll go to here. So file, new, you know that. Okay. So what we will do, I will take some image. So I will already, I have some image. I will take that image. File, open. Because mainly in Photoshop we are doing any kind of works with the image, means with the image itself we have to do the editing. Without image it's difficult to do the work, because we have to, it is an image editing software, we have to work with the images itself. Okay, file, open. File, open, I will give. Okay, whatever the images I have, I will take those image and I will work with that. Okay, I'll have some images. I have taken this image. Okay, so I have downloaded some images already. It is there in the system. Okay, so I will take any images. Okay, so what you have to do, first I will go to this tool. What is this? Rectangular mark tool and elliptical mark tool. Okay, rectangular mark tool, what you have to do, you have to make a shape like this. Okay, you have to make a shape like this. So how much area it is selected, that much area only you can cut and you can place it to different area. Okay, so what you have to do, what I will do now, I'm selected this much area. Now I will keep it this, I'll come out from this tool. I'll go to this move tool. Okay, first one is the move tool. Why we are using the move tool? We have to move the image from one place to another place. So that time I'll select this move tool. Can you see here? Now this image become cutted. Okay, so like that. So Control Z, write this tool name, Control Z. Control Z means undo. Okay, I will keep it like this. So besides, I will keep it here. Like what you have to do, you have to click on here. Can you see the mouse point? See, it is, I'm clicking and left click and I'm dragging like this, and I am using the move tool. I am dragging from here to here. Okay, so I am placing from here to here. Okay, how much ever area I want, I will select it. Okay, rectangular marks tool, how much ever area, this much full you want. Okay, you want half, how much ever area you want, you can select only that much area, and you can select it like this. Go to this move tool and you have to add it here. Okay, now the file size is very small, so what I will do, Control T, you have to write Control T. Why we are using Control T? Berkoli, you have to write it Control T to scale the image. Means you have to make the image bigger and smaller. So that time we are using Control T. Control T for scaling the image. Okay. So you have to press Shift Alt. Means you can make it scroll like this also. Control T. Okay. Control T you have to make, and you have to make like this. But the problem is it will become, as it is, it will not come. It will become fat, it will become thin, it will become like this, it will come. Okay, see, as it is, it will not come. So I'll make it Control Z. Okay, Control T, you have to Control D, not T, Tata T, Control T for scaling the image. So you have to press Shift and Alt and left click, Shift and Alt. One corner you have to select it. Okay, one corner you have to hold it like this, and Shift and Alt. Look at here, Shift and Alt like this, and you have to drag it like this. Okay, anybody having any doubt, you have to clear it now itself. I will show some more images. Safia, any doubt? Anusha, Aditi, Juveria, Rushanki, Husna, you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Husna, what happened? Any doubt you have? Nobody having the software. You have to please try to install the software today itself, because every day I'm teaching different tools and all. So what you have to do, you have to install and you have to practice every day. Okay. So what I will do, any images you can take it. Okay, I will take so many images. File open. Library, we have different images. So you can take any of the images. Okay. Any of the images you can take, and you can go to here rectangular mark tool and elliptical mark tool. Okay. So like this you have to see, this is the circle. Okay. This will come with the circle. Okay. Then go to this move tool and you can make a thing here. Can you see here a very sharp cut is coming here? Correct. You can unmute yourself and you can answer it. By the time I can listen, somebody is there. Okay, Control Z. See this selection what I have done. If it should go means you have to press Control D to deselect. Control D for deselecting. How much ever you taken, that you have to, it should go means Control D. Control D for deselect. Okay, you have to take this rectangular mark tool and elliptical mark tool. Any shape you can select it. Control D, not Control T. Control T for, Control T means scaling the image. That is Tata T. Control T. This is Control D. Duh. Okay. Control T for scaling the image. Scaling. Okay, scaling. Control D for deselect. Okay, deselect. T and D. Deselect means whatever the area you selected, it will deselect. Okay. See, whenever you select this tool, can you see here in the menu bar we have multiple options are there. Feather. Can you see this feather? Yes or no? You should say, somebody.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, by that time,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, feather. You can unmute, no problem. Unmute yourself. I will not get any noise, no problem. Okay, by this time the class is alive, I feel. Okay, you can unmute yourself and you can talk, no problem. Ask ma'am so many questions also, because I don't know whether you people are there or not. That's why. See here, I will select here elliptical mark tool. I will give the feather. What happens if I give the feather 5? See. Can you see what happened? Edges are not become sharp. Got it? Anybody can answer it. Okay, see, look at here. You should be very
Yes,
active.
ma'am.
See, look at here. The edges are not sharp. It is become soft because I given the feather. Okay. So I will go
Yes,
to,
ma'am.
I will deselect. I will go to again this one, elliptical mark tool, and here we have an options called, I'll give 15. Let us see what happens. I will select this much area. Before selecting only you have to give the feather. See, look at here, what happened. So much area, it is become feathery. Okay. So this is very important. So you can move from one file to another file. Okay. So this area completely become feather. So you can give 1, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 or 12, 15, anything. If you want more feather, you can give the more feather options, you can give it. So I'll take a new file and you can add it. Otherwise you no need to take new file only. So I will take some other image photo. For example, I'll take this one. So then I will add from here to here. Okay. See, Control T. What you have to do, you have to make the image scale. See what happened. In that same image, I have placed this flower. Instead of that flower, I have placed this flower, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody can use my system and do it? Anybody can operate my system? Okay. Okay. So next you have to write the option called window layers. Okay, window layers. You have to write this option. You have an option called window layers. Window layers. Window layers. Okay. So why I am telling you people about the layers? Look at here. Now flower is in different layer. Now this background is in different layer. Can you see eye mark? If you don't want this image, you can hide it. Okay. Whatever the images you don't want, you can hide it. If you want this image, there is a eye mark. So you have to go to here, window layers. Okay. Window layers are very important actually. Window layers, you have to make it like this. Hide, unhide. Okay. Suppose I don't want this image. I want this same image in the background. Okay. So, okay, you can off this layer. Hide, unhide. Okay, hide and hide, you can make it. So you have to give the feather, and you have to use this rectangular mark tool or elliptical mark tool, and using the move tool, you can move from one place to another place. Okay, file, open. I will take some more image. Okay, I'll take this image. So I'll go to here, and I will go to this any tool. Okay, elliptical mark tool. When you select the elliptical mark tool, check the feather. Okay, feather is how much? It is 15. So you have to give, okay, few 15, 10, 5. You want more blur, take any option, no problem. Okay, select how much ever area you want, you can select it, and you have to keep it like this. Beside you have to keep it always. You should keep side by side. Can you see this? You have to keep it like this beside. And I am keeping on it. Huh? You are able to. Anusha, Shriya, you can able to follow me. Shriya, you join now. Shreya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, any doubts? It is, now you can see what ma'am is doing. Okay, it's very easy, you can do it. When you open the system, you're not able to do it because you have to write the procedure. Otherwise, you have to practice today itself. Okay, so what I will do, I will drag and drop it from here. Okay, see now what happened, like this. If you want to make a smaller, Control T, then Shift Alt, you can drag and drop it like this. Anything you can make it. Enter. Okay, that old file, you can close the old file. If you don't want the old file, you can close it. And look at here, if you don't want this space, okay, I don't want means you can hide the layer. Okay, you can hide it in the layer. Okay, it is
Yes,
with
ma'am.
the Windows layer. Okay, anybody have any doubts? You shall I show some more examples or what? Tell me. Sharun, Aditi, any doubts you have? Shreya, Agarwal, Shreya, one more. How much feather you want to give, Shreya Agarwal? Husna, Aishwarya. Okay, everybody can unmute yourself and you can talk, no problem. There is no restriction that you cannot talk.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me. Anybody can answer. I don't want to call you people's name. You
15,
have to
ma'am.
answer. In my class, you should answer. Tell me.
15 or
Tell
5,
me.
ma'am. You can give anything.
3.5 you have to give. Feather.
15, 15.
15 you have to give. Okay, okay.
Okay.
Kulsum.
12.
Okay. So you will give the feather. Feather means what you will get? You will get the outline which is having the blur kind of outlines you will get. Okay. Safia.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Vrushanki, are you there? Okay, you need more example to show or you people are understood this procedure?
Understood, ma'am.
Understood?
Understood, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. Fine, fine.
Understood, ma'am.
Huh. Okay. So the layers are very important part of this because you have to select the layer. Suppose I want to move this means, see if it is selected means it is highlighting with the blue color. Okay. So next class you have to do it in my system. Okay, my computer. If somebody you're not able to install the software, you're not able to practice in your system means you have to do it in my system only. Okay, you can practice it here itself. So what you have to do, you have to select the particular layer and you have to move it like this. Okay, if you don't want means you have to hide it. Okay, you got it right. This one, rectangular
Yes,
mark tool
ma'am.
and elliptical mark tool.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let us see what image I have. Okay. Next tool is easy one, that is lasso tool. Okay, lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool and magnetic tool. Okay, why we are using this tool? I will teach only this tool actually. Lasso tool I will teach. Next class I will teach a polygon lasso tool. Okay. Before that you have to write some of the important option. Okay. What is that important option is? File, new file, open, all those things you written, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So what I will do now, what I want is I want to remove the background. Okay, I want to remove this background and I want to place this girl in a some different background. So I want to create a collage work. Okay, you can download any kind of image because I have to make a always try to download the white background image. Okay, try to download always white background image. Okay, so what I will do, I will use a, this is control plus zoom in, control minus zoom out. You have to write this option, control plus is zoom in, Control minus is zoom out. Mercury, control plus is zoom in, control minus is zoom out. Okay. Here also we have an option here left side. We have an option here. Wherever you will keep, only that part only it will zoom. Okay. Hand tool, double click on this hand tool, it will become normal. So if you go to this zoom tool, if you click on here, it will zoom like this. Okay. Double click on this. Zoom in and zoom out. Okay. In the keyboard you have to write control plus plus, control minus minus. Control plus plus means it will zoom equally. Control minus minus. Please write this tool control plus and control minus. Okay. Always in the right side your layer should open. Always in the right side your layer should open. Okay. Then next tool is, I will take you this tool. Third one. Okay. Lasso tool. Please write the name of the tool. Lasso tool. Okay. Any tool you will select except this move tool. You have an option here, feather. Okay. Can you see the feather option? Okay.
ma'am.
Using the lasso
Yes,
tool,
ma'am.
what you can do it, you have to circle. See how much ever area you want. Only that much area only it will select. Okay. Control D for deselect. See here what happened, they are given two options, rectangular mark tool and elliptical mark tool, correct? Here it is a lasso tool, like you have to select how much ever area you want. From where you started, there itself you have to join. Control D. See roughly you can select the area, how much ever you want you can add it. Okay, Control D. How much ever area you want you can add it. Otherwise slowly you have to add how much ever area you want, you can select it. Okay, roughly you have to select the area, so that time you can use this tool. Okay, so now what I will do, I will go to this. See all the files are open here, correct? I will close it, whichever I want I will take it. So using the mouse tool, so using the move tool, so what I will do, I'll keep it like this. You have to drag it, left click on this. See, this is a file name, portrait, okay, Indian student, okay. So in the Google, you want a white background image means you have to give student images, anything which is having the white background, you can give it. Okay, so you have to bring it down here, and using the move tool you have to drag and drop it here. Okay, how much ever area you selected, only that much area only it will cut. Control T, again you have to use Shift Alt, and you can increase the size of that. Okay, all
Ma'am.
are there.
Yes, ma'am.
Rushanki, are you there?
Yes,
Rushanki,
ma'am.
are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Rushanki, is it easy or is it difficult?
It's easy, ma'am.
It's easy. You can do that.
Yes, ma'am.
Aditi, you can do that. Oh, Aditi is typing. Okay. Who? Okay. Anusha. Anusha Lokesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Next class, you have to do it in my system. Okay. Let me check. Okay. Whoever did the photo editing, you have to present in the next class. Okay. Don't send the photos in the Photoshop. It's this thing, a group itself. so you have to present in the class itself. Okay, you can share your laptop, otherwise you can share your screen, otherwise you can do the message here. Okay. Okay. So how much ever area you want, you can cut that much area only. So you have to make a deselect. Deselect means which tool we are using for deselecting. Which tool we are using for deselecting?
Control D, ma'am.
Control D.
Control D. For scaling the image, which tool we are using?
Control T. Control T.
Control T for scaling the image. So whenever you are scaling, you should not scale it like this. Don't scale it like this. They will become fat or thin like this. Okay. So you have to press Control T, then Shift Alt. You have to drag it and you have to, like this only you have to make it. Shift Alt and left click. Okay. By the time the sizes will not change. Okay. Okay. Now there is a white background. Okay. But how to do with the neatly, how to do the cutting part? Any idea? Anybody is having any idea? Okay. So we'll go to the other tool. That one, lasso tool, just for roughly we have to do it. That time we can use it. Next one is polygonal lasso tool. This is very important actually. Polygonal lasso tool. You have to select this one. Using this only we are doing almost 50% work. It is going with this only. So this is, you have to start from here. Click. One click is here. See, automatically one click is here. One click is here, one click is here. Okay, you have to click wherever the shapes here there. Slowly, neatly you should do the work. Slowly, neatly. If you're not able to understand, next class I will repeat. Slowly, neatly you have to do this. See, automatically it will come down. If you while you are doing that, automatically it will come there. Okay, you have to slowly, you have to select this much area. See, how much ever you want, you have to select that much only. See, starting it will be slowly, later you can make fast. See, fast means it will come like this. Why mainly we are using means, if the colored area, if the background having colored, so where you started, from there itself you have to come back and you have to join it. Okay, so where you people have started, so there itself you have to join it. Okay, so what you can do it now, neatly you can do the cutting part. You can neatly, you should cut it, because when you are doing the editing, see, neatly you can cut. Okay, so I will take the background image. All are available?
Yes,
All are
ma'am.
there in the class? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Chandana,
ma'am.
somebody is added. Chandana, you are added now. Chandana,
Yes, ma'am.
you
Yes,
came
ma'am.
now. You joined now for the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Why so late,
Yes, ma'am.
Chandana?
Ma'am, I was out, ma'am. I was not available, so just now I
Okay,
came and
okay.
I just saw message. I didn't know.
Okay. Chandana, you should be there at 4:30. Okay, every day. Only some
Okay,
classes,
ma'am. Sure,
right?
ma'am.
You have to make yourself free. Okay, all full day you
Okay.
can do anything. Okay, so what I'm saying, I will
Ma'am,
go to here.
record, ma'am.
Huh. So I will go to here, file open, and I will take some background. Okay, I will take some background. See, whatever the backgrounds you want, what you people can do, this is the collage work. Collage work means I am combining two images now. I'm combining two different images, and this is a background, and this is the character, correct? So I'm combining two images now. Okay, so I'm dragging using the move tool. I'm dragging and I'm keeping here. Okay, I'm dragging, I'm keeping here. So you have to, what you have to do, you have to make a control T. You have to make a, you have to reduce the size of this, control T, and you have to press shift and alt, and you have to reduce the size of this. How much ever you want, you can reduce it. Okay, any background which is suitable for you people, you have to do this. First, what you have to do, you have to download the image from the Google which is suitable. Means you can stand her in front of any university, or you can make her stand in front of any mall, something like that. Okay, which is suitable for that background and this lady. Okay, so this is the collage work. This is very important actually. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Chandana and
Yes,
Shriya
ma'am.
both are joined late. Okay, so you have to write the notes actually. Okay, somebody please share the notes. Otherwise, anyway, you people have their numbers, means you can please send them those basic notes. That is very important actually. Those are the basic notes, because why you people are learning the Photoshop software. That is very important. You should know, right? Basic notes and all. Please send these people actually, Shriya and Chandana. Okay,
No, ma'am,
please
I have
make
written.
a note of that. Okay, basic tools and all, you have to write it. Okay, so this is the thing, like that we have to make a different collage work. Means you have to use your creativity and you have to make the collage work. Okay, next class I will, next class I will tell you in detail. Okay, next class how to make this collage work in detail, I will tell you those things. Okay, I will go to here. One more option is there, when you take any image. Okay. See, when you will cut this image, see, you have to lift like this. See, can you see here? Use always, you should be there in the move tool. Whenever you are moving like this, you have to use the move tool only. You have to, you can move it like this. You can move it like, you can keep it like this side, you can keep it like this. Okay, see here, any tool. Okay, you can use the feather tool. If you are using the lasso tool, I'll make it control D. Okay, if we'll make this one lasso tool, we have one more options are there. If I select this lasso tool here, can you see here some options are there? Add to selection and subtract from selection. Okay, add to selection means if some parts you need it. Can you see the plus mark? Hello ladies, you should talk.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you see the plus mark? Plus mark means you should add. Now I want this much area, I'm adding for this. Okay, I want some more area, I'm adding for this. Okay, this is add to selection. Okay, you are adding this much area to this. Okay, this is add to selection. I want her head, then you have to, See, like this you have to make a round. See, you have to start it from here and you have to end it for here. This is add to selection. Now I want her back. See, this much area you can add it. Okay, this much area you can add it. See, this is add to selection. Okay, next one is subtract selection. Subtract selection means I don't want some of the option in this. So that time you have to select like this and you have to make a subtract. I don't want this much area and I will go to subtract. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
subtract selection. Say I don't want this area. So that time you can use somehow by mistake you selected like this. So you can make the subtract selection. So it's very easy. You have to understand the concept and you have to do it like this. Okay, add to selection and subtract selection. I am teaching in the lasso tool. Okay, lasso tool. Next, so whenever you are doing with this tool, polygonal lasso tool, what happened? Again I will select some area like this. Roughly I will select it. Okay, in that, next, again same here, add to selection and subtract selection. Okay, add to selection. Again you have to click some points here, how much ever you want. You have to click this point like this. See, where you started, there you have to click on one more click you have to do. Escape. If it is coming 2-3 times like this, you have to make the escape option. See, again you have to make the add to selection. Okay, add to selection, subtract selection, both you can use it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, anybody
Yes,
having any
ma'am.
doubt? Next class I will tell you more about the collage work. So what you people you have to do, you have to try to please download the this one, what is this, Photoshop. Okay, Photoshop, any version you can download, CS5, CS6. Okay, latest version CC 2011, 11, 12, any version you can download it. There is no much difference and all in that versions. Okay, but you have to practice every day. That is most important. See, every day I'm teaching new different tools. So with that I'm explaining with the different examples. See, collage work is very important. Before that you have to install. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
anybody any doubt? Chandana,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
you are outside.
No, ma'am.
Then in online class we cannot tell who is there inside, outside and all. Okay, Rushanki.
No, ma'am.
Got it, you are there in some function. Okay, Rushanki.
No, ma'am. I'm not. No.
Okay, so anybody having Photoshop software? Rushanki, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you have software with you,
No, ma'am.
so please try to download. Internet is available, right? So what you have to do, you have to download some images. You have to download some images there, where you can collage. You can do the collage things. Okay, so like you have to download like different kinds of background, like a scenery background. Somebody is standing, you can make her stand in front of the university like that. You can stand in front, there is a bridge over there, huh? There is a shark opening the mouth and the ship is going inside the mouth. Please use some creativity. Okay, This is completely like creative work. You have to do, ma'am. How much ever I will, I can teach you. But the thing is, mainly your creativity is very important. Okay, there are many students with the graphic designing. They put it in their resume that final year student they learned the graphic designing. Okay, so they selected for the job and all, because when the campus interview will come, no, so they will tell you uh, like what are the different softwares you know. Okay, so this is totally a designing software. It is little difficult. Hmm? Everybody cannot learn this kind of software. Okay, this is a totally creative field, but if you learn this software means it will be plus point for you people. Okay, any doubts? Anybody is having any
Yes,
doubt?
ma'am.
Aditi,